Welcome to my ME2900 Arduino project. The project that I am doing is a chocolate milk maker. So I'll show you the components and then give you a demonstration. Here we've got our chocolate syrup, our white milk. Connected to the chocolate syrup is a peristaltic pump. This is necessary because of the viscosity of the chocolate syrup. We have our solenoid valve taken directly from a Keurig, actually. Down at the bottom here we have our there's your syrup tube and your milk tube, and then the mixer is actually the end of a toy arrow that's connected to a DC gear motor. In the back there's an IR distance sensor that is just taking readings from the bottom of the cup. So as our cup fills up with milk, it will talk to the pump and the motor and tell them when to turn on. These are just ketchup and mustard bottles that I've cut the bottoms off to hook up to the tubing. Here is a dark and light switch, a large and small glass, so that's how much milk you want and how much syrup based on the quantity of milk you need. The on-off switch for the Arduino, and a separate power supply to the solenoid valve. In the back here is the Arduino with motor shield and all the wiring and breadboard. So now I think we're ready for a demonstration. So we're gonna do a dark, large, and let's turn on the Arduino. Make sure everything's lined up in the cup correctly. And turn on the milk. So now you can see our milk is going into the bottom of the glass, and if you look at the serial monitor, well, if I have it plugged in, you can see right here 258, 256, 262, 260. Well, it's increasing towards 300. So once it hits 300, then the motor and the pump will both turn on. And then I'll have to turn off the milk. So it's at 295 right now. It should be turning out. There we go. We got it turned on. So now these are running at the same time, and they will both turn off, but the motor then will turn back on and keep running to mix the milk even more to make it get rid of all the excess syrup on the bottom. So there, the pump just turned off and the motor's sped up because it's getting more voltage. And it'll go for another 20 seconds or so, and we'll have our chocolate milk. There we go. Take out that and enjoy. Delicious.